back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening McDonald's toys. Let's pick one. Picking this one. I know how it goes. So it's trouble.
Trouble.
One. One.
公路店玩哦，飛行棋。
呢個係咁樣㗎。
呢個係飛行棋。
You can roll the
This is
dice.
飛行棋, but we can't play the whole game in just this.
It takes times. If you want to play the whole game, we can make another video.
Just take one. 攞一個。
Okay, we got a short game. Each one of you rolls the dice 3 times, see who will win the game. We keep it short.
Okay, 佢話每一次3次睇下邊個最
行得最遠。
行最遠就贏咯。嚟先啦。呢個 What is that?
6.
6. That's a McDonald man. Oh yeah.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got another McDonald man. 1.
Good.
3, 1, 2, 3. 5. 2, 1, 2. 你最後一個啦。4.
Seems a draw game. Draw game.
It's the same. No, he won.
Okay.
There you
Cristiano
go.
win the game.
Bye.
See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Just a big thumbs up. Watch us on Facebook and post on Instagram. 1 million subscribers. Just subscribe. Okay, so now I say goodbye.